Nothing glamorous about today's video. Welcome to New Year Resolutions in Action. As you saw in my very first video of 2018, I've got a lot of things on my list, including tackling this home office and everything that's going on behind these closed doors. It's a mess. It's deceivingly nice, but it's a mess. And so organization is high on my list for this year, not only this office, but also my closet. And I'm sure I'm going to find other places to clean out too, because this is a bit contagious once you get going. So anyway, if organization is a part of your New Year resolution, what do you say we do this together? I am armed with enough plastic containers, I think, to fill this entire office. I chose mainly clear see-through ones because they will be behind closed doors, so I figure I could at least see what's back there as opposed to an opaque one with a label. I am armed with plastic bags because I know I'm going to need a lot of them. I have my glasses so I can actually read what's going on back there, and I have my coffee. So, are you ready to get started and tackle this together? I know you're with me. I feel it. Let's get moving. Okay, this is what's killing me and probably most of you. It's what's going on behind curtain number one. Stuff just thrown in there, and as the years go by, more things get tossed in, but yet nothing gets pulled out. So today's mission is to get rid of the stuff that is not being used, and whatever is, to contain it nicely in a clear box and put it back in here. So first and foremost, I've got to go through all of this and honestly figure out what the heck is in here. See, here's the thing, we got to be real with ourselves, and this is the hardest part. We tend to be pack rats and, oh, I'll have it for a later day, or yeah, I'll have, a outdated picture frame, 10 years ago that was in style, and I'm sure I'm going to use it in 2018. Not. They're going. Oh my goodness. We've got kid projects down here. That's cute. I think that's supposed to be me. Okay, these are going to be kept, but they will be put in storage. Happy Mother's Day. Ah, cute little wine bag. Might want that later. Okay. Ta-da! Emptiness. Look at that. A little mouse or fella has been hanging out down here, finding some nastiness. Blah. Okay, next layer up. I don't even have this anymore. This one I do have. I'm doing my keeper pile to my left and my trash pile to my right. See, I'm breaking apart stuff that's in these boxes that I can then put into clear containers that I can see and get rid of these large boxes. Ah! I can actually stand now. This is promising. Most of this, old bank statements, old checks, so this is going into the shredder. And a box. Is this our wedding stuff? Why yes, wedding bridal shower cards. That's a keeper. See, this was well-intentioned. It's a tray, but I really don't know what's in this tray. Okay, why did I have this? Not quite sure why tweezers would be in there, but okay, I'm beginning to have hope here. Camera stuff, old camera that doesn't work. New camera that I shoot my YouTube videos with, and then the camera that I shoot the thumbnail with. So yes, they're staying. Picture frame, not my style anymore, so I'm gonna give that away. Aww, cute. Look, my mom and my son when he was a little baby. That's very precious. That's a keeper. Although I'm gonna take it out of the frame because the frame doesn't match what I got going on. Oh my gosh, a sack of keys. Are they to this house? Oh. You know, it's amazing what happens when you start digging. I want you to get organized. Yes, that's right, you. Whoa, whoa. Okay, I have to admit, this is getting exciting. Oh my gosh. High school yearbooks. Are you ready to go back in time? I had more hair than I knew what to do with. There you go. Do you see it? Yep, there she is. Big ol' head of hair. Right there. Old camera. I'm feeling like I've climbed Everest here. Whoa. My entire career is in this box. Once upon a time, we used to have everything on VHS tape. And so at some point, I'm gonna have to take this over to some place that can dub it and put it all on USB so I can see myself from 1993. Can you believe it? Okay, so I think my plan is this. Since this is emptied out, before I fill it, I'm going to tackle that, and empty that out. And then when I have 2 empty closets, I will then figure out what's gonna go where. Apparently I had a lot more paper than I thought I did. Oh my gosh. This is like nice quality resume paper. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. These are good. These will be used again, but there will be a little more rhyme and reason. Now there are a ton of CDs back here, and I did get myself a really cool CD case where you put them take them out of the jackets and then slide them in. So that's going to be something that I'll do off camera, but when you see me put it in, you'll realize that all these CDs will now fit neatly and perfectly in there. Okay, thought I'd spare you the gory details, but clean and ready to go. Okay, so this is what I now must contend with. Getting all this stuff that's been tossed out to now find a happy home in a neat way. Okay, I'm gonna start probably with paper, things that I use a lot. So I'm using this, and I've got plain white printer paper up top. So now, as you can see, the paper is clean and orderly. Okay, this is pretty thrilling. I'm all stationery here, fire safe box. In here, I put cards and things that the kids wrote me for Mother's Day or birthday or whatever. French lessons, and that's it. And there's nothing up top. I don't even need a stepladder to get up there anymore. That is so cool. Well, of course, things couldn't go perfectly, so I measured, but apparently it's a little too tight, so it's kind of suspended. But that's okay. I'm gonna put wrapping paper in there, and then I've got some prints and things to put underneath. So I'm gonna make it work. Do what you gotta do. Next up is finding a home for gift bags. Okay, and the next step, tissue, bags, and ribbon and wine holders. Okay, remember all these old VHS tapes? They're now in here, and I think they're gonna go all the way up top, since I'm not going to be dubbing anytime soon. Okay, here you see the desktop. Everything has been cleaned off. A few personal things that were written to me, calendar, notepad, and bills, and that's it. And inside the drawers, nice, neat, tidy, tools and supplies, good to go. In my built-in, I've tidied up a little bit. I still could probably thin out some books, but I'm gonna leave that for another day. In this little area, I decided to put crystals and plaques and things that I've received throughout the years. And there you have it. I'm done. All in. This was 4 hours, but I have to tell you, it was well worth it, because now I come in here and I look around and I open things up and I see neatness, tidiness, organization. I know where things are. I've gotten rid of things that I don't need or want to look at anymore, and it feels incredible. So please do this for yourself. It's liberating. It's fantastic to feel in control of your own space. And that's what this did for me today. I am so looking forward to new projects and things that I can do around the house and do for me to give me this sort of elated feeling, because it truly is overjoying. Now, 2 hours ago, I might have been singing a different tune. But now I feel great. So with all your projects and New Year's resolutions, go out, be bold, be blessed, and I look forward to hearing what you're up to, and I'll see you in a week. Bye.